Tired of your phone dying midday? The Anker PowerCore 20000mAh is your ultimate power solution, keeping all your devices charged on the go. This powerhouse packs a massive 20,000 mAh, meaning you can charge an iPhone 6+ times or a tablet multiple times before needing a recharge. Imagine a full week of phone power without ever seeing a wall outlet. That's the freedom this portable charger offers. But it's not just about capacity. Anker's exclusive PowerIQ technology intelligently identifies your device to deliver the fastest possible charge. No more guessing which port to use. Just plug in and experience optimized, efficient power delivery every single time. And with dual USB ports, you and a friend, or your phone and tablet, can charge simultaneously, making it the perfect travel companion. Anker is known for its incredible reliability and build quality, making this the best portable charger you can trust for years to come. Ready to ditch battery anxiety? You can find the Anker PowerCore 20000mAh on Amazon right now using the link in my description below. For anyone seeking top-tier portable power in 2025, this Anker PowerCore is an absolute game changer and my top recommendation for portable electronics.